y'all. The knobbies are on the rims with the ball bearings. The only thing I gotta do is let the air out of them and put the proper PSI. And the recommended PSI for the front tires on a Craftsman GT tractor is 14 pounds and 10 pounds for the rear. But there's old tires and old rims. Those rims could be saved. I just had to figure out a way to make them reusable, because I messed them up when I took off too much material for the ball bearings to go in. So, and those tires are 6.5 inch wide tires. So I might fix one of these rims up and have the 6.5 inch tire that will on one of them put back on for a spare. So I do have a spare for the rear, but it's a little smaller in width. But it is what it is. But how I got this mess done? Now, like I said, Walmart will charge you 2 different prices for mounting lawnmower tires. If you order them through Walmart, yes, they won't charge you as much. But if you bring your own tires from some other place, they're going to charge you more. Plus a disposal fee if you don't want them. Because if the battery wore out, well, you might as well just let them dispose of them anyway. But y'all have a great day, because I got to turn that fan back on. It's getting hot out here like a sauna, baby. So y'all have a good one. Thank you.